Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Danny Simone, the real Danny Simone.
Period.
Back with another video. Last week we gave my bedroom a miniature makeover. This week we're redoing my office / content creation area. So stay tuned to see how I took my office from this to this.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
So first things first, I got to do all the unboxing and assembly. So one of my main goals in here was to make sure I free up some space on my desk because yes, the original setup was cute, but it wasn't very functional. So the plan was to get rid of these monitor stands and put the monitors up on arms. That way I can free up the space under the monitors. And as much as I love my light up keyboard and mouse, it is definitely time to say goodbye. It just doesn't fit the aesthetic that I'm going for at this point. I'm getting a little older now, so I'm trying to calm things down a bit. So y'all know we keep it real on this channel. I do have to give y'all a disclaimer. The next few clips you're gonna see me, some days my hair was tied up, some days I had on different outfits. Unfortunately, a lot of my packages did get delayed, so it did take me about a week to get this room done. Therefore, I had to film this video over about the course of a week. But the important part is that it got done. Y'all know I love color and fun patterns, so I did want to incorporate some cute pins in the mix. I wanted to keep it true to color since so much of my furniture is white already. Okay, the hard part is over. I finally got the monitors up and running. Now I'm just gonna change the orientation real quick so I can have a vertical and a horizontal. So y'all, I finally got my zebra hide rug that I've been wanting for the longest time. It's so freaking pretty and it's actually a really good size. It covers almost the whole floor in this room. I also treated myself to a new chair because if I'm honest, the gaming chair was cool or whatever, but it's very uncomfortable now that I've lost so much weight. So I needed something a little bit softer. And of course, just something that was a little bit more aesthetically pleasing since I am changing the entire look of the office. Finally get to utilize those white sheer curtains from my bedroom. If you watch my last video when I redid my bedroom, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I am using no-no brackets. I cannot stress this to y'all enough. These are like the best renter friendly invention ever. We don't drill no holes and no walls up in here because we like to get our deposits back, okay? Period.
Just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust
And voila. Now I gotta tackle this damn couch, okay? I wanted a mint green velvet sofa that I saw on Amazon so bad, but I just wasn't willing to pay the price point for it. So I linked up with my niecey Pooh, who actually works for Wayfair, and she was able to get me a deal on this beautiful thing. The only downside to that is, as you can see, I do have to put it together. And I ain't got no husband, so I gotta do it by myself.
Bruh.
I know I've been away. Just trying to get my shit away. Don't get my shit away. I'm just trying to get my shit
Baby, don't be down. Don't do me wrong. I ain't got no one at all. This penthouse view ain't as beautiful as you. Wanna have time, but I can make time for you.
Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Step and spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you.
So one thing I did want to do was paint the legs black, and I chose a gloss black spray paint. I'm gonna go ahead and take this outside on the back porch in the box and get those coated real quick while I finish assembling this couch.
I know I've been away. Don't get my shit away. Just trying to get my people straight.
Now y'all know I'm all about mixing colors and patterns. And I know some of y'all might be like, girl, what the hell you finna do with them bright ass pillows? Huh, watch me work. So as y'all can see, the handles for this dresser are gold already, but they're not as bright as I would like for them to be. So I'm gonna take them outside and give them a good coat of bright metallic gold spray paint. And so the thought process with this dresser was I just needed something cute but functional to put my unsightly cords in, because I had cords kind of just laying around on top of my desk or whatever.
Bruh.
I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheat. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all
Okay, y'all, so the legs have fully dried. I just felt like the gloss black would look so much better up against the zebra hide rug than that dusty brown color they were before. So I've gone ahead and put those on already.
Bitch, I'm G to the L to the O, pink glow. You can catch me at a track, tennis slime with your hoes. I ain't popping out at party, gotta put me for a show. They say I be living fast, nah, pussy boy slow. Hey, we hopping out at red lights, twerking on them headlights. She say she can't come outside today, that means she's scared, right?
And here, the vision was for me to put the couch in the corner of the office, but it just ended up being too wide. So I actually ended up just sliding it up against the wall by the window under the whiteboard, and it actually worked out perfectly.
That means I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga cheap. And I'm SINGLE again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm LREE, full nigga free. That means I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga cheap. And I'm SINGLE again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.
Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard.
See, I be knowing. Y'all just gotta trust the process. Look how everything came together. And what better way to seal the deal than with a plant?
Young gun, no one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pull us a serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm.
So here is the finished product, y'all. I told y'all it was gonna be a complete transformation. It doesn't even look like the same room anymore. And that is exactly what I was going for. I literally love it here, okay? I couldn't stay out of this room before, but now I'm never gonna leave. This is gonna motivate me to be more productive and spend more time focusing on what really makes me happy, which is content creation. And y'all already know I ain't a gatekeeper, so I'll make sure I link everything mentioned in the video down in the description box below for anybody who might be interested in purchasing these items.
I hope you play your position.
But I ain't gonna lie, y'all, building that couch really whooped me, so your girl is tired. So I'ma head out. But before we go, y'all already know what I need y'all to do. I need you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you don't ever miss an upload. And last but not least, per usual, make sure you leave me some comments down below and let me know what other videos y'all want to see from me. I love y'all so much, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.
Yeah.